Dear students, today we will discuss about the refraction of light. When light enters from one transparent medium to another transparent medium, it bends from its path. This phenomena of light is known as refraction of light. There are two types of bending. One, the light bends towards the normal when enters from a rarer medium into a denser medium. It means when light is coming from a denser medium like glass into a rarer medium like water or air, the light bends towards the normal. And second bending, it bends away from the normal when enters from a denser medium into a rarer medium. Means suppose light is coming from water into glass or air into water or air into glass. That time air into glass, it will bend towards the normal. Glass into air, it bends away from the normal. Similarly, glass into water, away from the normal. Water into glass, towards the normal. So whenever light enters from a denser medium to a rarer medium, it bends away from the normal. When enters from rarer medium into denser medium, it bends towards the normal. Now we are going to do the refraction through a rectangular glass slab. This is an activity. To understand the refraction of light through a glass slab, consider the figure given below, which shows the refraction of light through a rectangular glass slab. Here we are having one diagram. You can see one glass slab is there, PQRS. One light AO is coming on the top, which is known as incident ray with certain angle I from the normal N and dash. It gets refracted because now light is coming from air into glass, so it bends towards the normal N and dash, and when it emerges out from the other side SR from of the glass slab, it bends away from the normal because now light is coming glass into air. The distance between the emergent ray and the incident ray is known as lateral displacement. The angle between the normal and emergent ray is known as emergent angle E. Here in this figure, AO is the light ray traveling in air and incident on glass slab at point O. Now on entering the glass medium, this ray bends towards the normal N and dash, that is light ray AO gets refracted on entering the glass medium. After getting refracted, this ray now travels through the glass slab and reach at point B. It comes out of the glass slab as shown in the figure. Since ray OB goes from glass medium into air, so it again gets refracted and it bends away from the normal. Here AO is the incident ray and BC is the emergent ray, and they both are parallel to each other, and OB is the refracted ray. Now emergent ray is parallel to incident ray because the extent of bending of the ray of light at the opposite parallel faces, which are PQ air glass interface and SR glass air interface of the rectangular glass slab, is equal and opposite. In the figure, I is the angle of incidence, R is the angle of refraction, and E is the angle of emergence. Angle of incidence and angle of emergence are equal as emergent ray and incident ray are parallel to each other. When a light ray is incident normally to the interface, the two media, then there is no bending of light ray and it goes straight through the medium. It means when perpendicular they will enter, that time it goes without bending. Okay, thank you so much.